Welcome Chinese storage room. Chinese people love the red and yellow. Go to the room so dark. I was young, and then my grandma told me that story. Said in a long time back, and in the mountains, a lot of animals. Every single day, same game over and over. A lot of people said, "Oh, I'm boring." Yeah, me too. Everybody thinking, what a new game. Somebody said, I have an idea. Let's go race. Oh, that sounds cool. Mountain to ocean. Okay, let's go. Everybody's here, excited. Boom. There's axe to the wrong, very straight. Never thinking. Really straight. Running. And the tiger said, I in the mountain. It's a big king. I don't care. I can take a little break. Slowly, I will be one. And the rabbit said, oh, look at me, very small. Fine, I want wood. I work. Eat harder. Try harder. Dragon thought, I eat all animals. I'm a powerful animal. I don't care. I take 10 minutes break. I will be one later. And the snake said, oh my God. That's everybody has more than 2 legs. I have none. Oh, snake wants wins harder, right? One way, harder. Run. Slowly. And sheep told horse, horse, you're my best friends. Can you wait me? Not today. Yeah, I try best. Okay, come on, faster you can. Okay. The monkey said, look you guys, all so crazy. Come busy on the lawn. I can't jump tree to tree. Wow, that's my favorite peach tree. Oh.
These are peaches.
Yeah, little small, don't touch. Eating peach.
A peach fell down.
Oh, yeah, that's the seeds. After peach, that's seeds. So careful, sweetie. And the rooster said, oh, look at me. I have 2 little poor skinny legs. I want to win. Oh, really hard. I have wings. Really, right? Try hard. And pig told dogs, Dog, you're my best friends. Yup, you're too heavy. I don't think today you can win, but I try my best, okay? I can help you a little bit. Time passed very fast, and the ox turned head back, look for who's behind me. Just turn, boom. Hello, hey, you from where? Hey. Sorry, I got 2 jobs. I got number 1. No, you're cheating. I don't care. I think I am number 1. I got number 2. Ox not very happy, but the tiger learned. This time race is I'm not more than in the mountain is a big king longer. I got number 3. Rabbit is happy. Work so hard. Jump. Got number 4. And the dragon thought, oh, I'm no more powerful animal. I got number 5. The snake is really happy. I have no legs. I got number 6. Great. Sheep faster. You see, a lot of animals finish. Yeah, I'm coming. 7, 8. Oh my God, I forgot time. What happened? Too much peaches, right? My God, waste time. I got number 9. Peachful. Peaches full. Waste all life. All time waste. Rooster so happy. Four legs. Got number 10. Faster, you can faster? Yeah, I'm coming. Oh my God. Dog and pig. Finish. And has a lot of animals visit this game. No finish. But Chinese people once remember these 12 animals. 12 animals. knows what year? Who knows this year? What animal?
The
Yeah. What? What year?
the year rat.
Yes.
I know it in Chinese. Ratty. Russian.
老鼠 Everybody 评评理。老鼠。老鼠。Yeah, that's number one. Yeah, 2 jumps. Very smart, right? Thank you very much. Now Brian has open your bag. Brian here has your gifts and the cookie. 谢谢。